Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, the place where we learn, explore, discover professional training. Today we will discuss about 8 steps for Gemba Walk. In this topic we will cover: what is Gemba? 8 steps of Gemba Walk. Next, the first G of 5G called the Gemba. Gemba is a combination of two Japanese words gem and ba. Roughly translated, Gemba means a raised platform. Gemba means the real place where the value is added, where the problems are resolved, where the work is happening. Means, a Gemba walk is a concept derived from Japanese management practices, particularly in the context of lean and kaizen methodologies. Gemba translates to the real place or the actual place in Japanese. The Gemba walk involves going to the actual location where work is done, whether it's a factory floor, office, or any other operational area, to observe processes, identify opportunities for improvement, and engage with employees. The Gemba is the location where the incident actually occurred, at the source of the problem, which may not be where the majority of the losses occurred. The primary purpose of a Gemba walk is to gain first-hand knowledge about how work is done and to understand the challenges and opportunities within the workplace. This approach is rooted in the belief that those who are directly involved in a process often have the most valuable insights into how it can be optimized. Whenever there is a problem or an abnormality, the first thing we need to do is to go to the Gemba or Gemba walk. During a Gemba walk, leaders and managers actively observe and interact with employees, asking questions, seeking to understand the workflow, and looking for areas where waste can be reduced or processes can be improved. It emphasizes the importance of direct observation and communication over relying solely on reports or second-hand information. Next, let's all 8 steps of Gemba walk for best result. First step, identify the purpose of Gemba walk. Understand the overall objective of the Gemba walk, which is to gain first-hand knowledge of the work processes, identify inefficiencies, and seek opportunities for improvement. Second step, ensure you understand the process you are about to observation. Acquire knowledge about the specific processes, workflows, and activities that you plan to observe during the Gemba walk. This helps in focusing on relevant areas for improvement. Third step, select a time you will be observing. Choose a time that is representative of normal operations. This ensures that the observations are reflective of typical work conditions and not influenced by unusual circumstances. Fourth step, observe where value is created and where the work is done. Identify key areas where value is added in the process and physically go to the location where the work is performed. This helps in understanding the actual work environment and conditions. Fifth step, observe the processes and quality of service provided. Pay attention to the specific steps in the processes and assess the quality of the services being delivered. This includes looking for any deviations from standard procedures or quality standards. Sixth step, recognize how the process performs in its current state. Evaluate the efficiency and effectiveness of the current processes. Understand how well the tasks are being executed and identify any bottlenecks or areas of waste. Seventh step, visualize the gap between the ideal state and what happened actually. Compare the observed processes with the ideal state. Identify any deviations, inefficiencies, or areas where the current state falls short of the desired or optimal state. Last step, look for OFI, opportunity for improvement, close the gap between the actual and ideal. Analyze the gaps identified and seek opportunities for improvement. These could include streamlining processes, reducing waste, improving communication, or enhancing the overall efficiency of the workflow. Develop and implement action plans to address the identified opportunities for improvement. This step involves making changes to the current processes to move closer to the ideal state. These steps collectively contribute to a continuous improvement cycle, where the Gemba Walk becomes a valuable tool for enhancing efficiency, quality, and overall performance within an organization. Finally, once you complete the Gemba Walk, immediately follow up on your notes. Record additional items you want to remember, problem to solve, or tasks that need to be done. Gemba Walks are approached from a place of mutual respect and interest in making process faster, safer, easier, and plan better. Gemba Walks are a fundamental aspect of lean thinking and continuous improvement, promoting a culture of transparency, collaboration, and problem solving. They are applicable across various industries and sectors where operational excellence is a key focus. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to watch our 5